Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to talk about how classy, fashionable, and inexpensive it is to shoot on celluloid film with your Bolex 8mm, 16mm, and Super 8 cameras. And it is inexpensive. Anyone who tells you otherwise is simply already invested in a lot of digital equipment and doesn't want to go to film or may not have the knowledge to go to film, either way. Also, the sound, the audio does not have to be perfectly synced, such as in the films that I grew up in, with the classic Italian giallo films, horror films, and heist films. Italian films such as that have class and are very artistic. There are some Russian films that are very artistic as well as French and many others. So the audio does not have to be perfectly synced. This is sometimes something that the new generation simply does not understand. Simply also why they do not enjoy VHS, video home systems. But if you get into film, celluloid, it will teach you how to be a cinematographer for sure. I hope this video has helped you. Do click on my subscription for more videos on this subject in Bolex cameras. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.